Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have m minus 5 to the power of 4 equals to m to the power of 4, and here we solve this problem for the values of m. So here the very first thing we are going to do is here first we move this m to the power of 4 in the left hand side, and it will be written as m minus 5 and its whole power 4 minus m to the power of 4 equals to 0. And now in the next step here we just focus on the exponent of both of these terms, and we just break this 4 and we write it as m minus 5, and this is 4, we write it as 2 times of 2 minus, here we have this is 4 and we write it as 2 times of 2 is 4, and this whole equals to 0. And after that we use here the nice exponential law, and you know about this law. If we have a to the power of m cross n, it is equals to a to the power of m and its whole power n. So now we use this nice law on both of these terms, and we write it as m minus 5 whole square and its whole square minus, we have this is m square and its whole square equals to 0. And after that we use here the nice square identity, and we know about this identity. If we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here we use this nice square identity on the left hand side of the above equation, so that its left hand side is written as in this form. So here we have a minus b, so our a is m minus 5 whole square and our b is m square. So we write its output in this form as m minus 5 whole square minus m square into, we have a plus b, so it is written as m minus 5 whole square plus m square, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now in the next step here we have two cases. The first case is we take this factor equals to 0, and the second case is we take this factor equals to 0. So this implies that our first case is m minus 5 whole square minus m square equals to 0, and the second case is m minus 5 whole square plus m square equals to 0. So we call this as equation number 1 and we call this as equation number 2. So here we focus on these two equations, and we just find the values of m and n, and we find the values of just m in from both of these equations. So here first we focus on equation number 1, so that from equation 1 we have, so this is equation number 1, and we first copy down this equation, and it will be written as m minus 5 whole square minus m square equals to 0. And now here we just use another nice square identity in the first term. So here we use this formula a minus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus b square minus 2 times of ab. So now we use here this nice square identity on the first term, and it will be written as in this form. So here our first term is m square plus b is 5 square minus 2 times of ab. So here our a is m and b is 5, and this is minus m square, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now in the next step here we need little bit simplifications, and this minus m square and plus m square are cancelled by each other, and here we get 25 minus 2 5s are 10m, and this whole equals to 0. So that here we move this minus 10m to the right hand side, and it will be written as 25 equals to 10m, and this implies that m equals to 25 over 10. So here we cancelled these terms by the table of 5. So this is 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10. So finally we have the value of m is 5 over 2. So this is the first real root of the given equation. So now in order to find the other roots, we need to solve the second case. So in order to solve the second case, first we copy down here equation number 2. So we write it as from 2 we have m minus 5 whole square plus m square equals to 0. So this is the our equation number 2. And here we again use this nice square identity. So according to this identity, we will write the first term as this is m minus 5 whole square, and we have m square plus 5 square minus 2 times of m into 5 and plus m square equals to 0. And now in the next step we have m square plus 5 square is 25 and 5 2s are 10m and plus m square equals to 0. So here we rearrange the terms and we have m square plus m square is 2 times of m square, and this is minus 10m and plus 25 equals to 0. So now we solve this quadratic equation and we easily find the values of m. So here we need to use the quadratic formula in order to solve this equation. So that here first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 2, b equals to minus 10 and c equals to 25. So these are the coefficients of the given equation, and now we write the quadratic formula, which is m equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we just write put the values of a, b and c, and we have minus b, and the value of b is minus 10 plus minus square root of b square. So b is minus 10 square minus 4 times of a is 2 and c is 25 square root and divided by 2 times of a, and over a is 2. So in the next step we have this is minus times of minus becomes plus 10 and plus minus square root of minus 10 square equals to 100, and this is 4 times of 2 is 8 and 8 times of 25 is equals to 200, and this whole equation is divided by 2 times of 2 becomes 4. So now in the next step we have this is 10 plus minus square root of minus 100 divided by 4, and here we write this term as 10 plus minus. We know that the square root of 100 is 10, and we get here minus 1 square root divided by 4. So here we just separate these terms and we write it as 10 over 4 plus minus 10 over 4 into minus 1 square root, and we know that minus 1 square root equals to iota. So we cancelled these terms and we write it as 5 over 2 plus minus 5 over 2 iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. And this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.